Okay, a bit of a double header today. Going to make 2 chicken pastas. What we're going to first do is make a tomato sauce, a base sauce, and then we're going to bang that one out and bang that one out. Bang, 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 bang. Bit of spaghetti, bit of rigatoni. Fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get our sauce done. So here I've got 2 cans, regular size cans of tomatoes, plum tomatoes, 1 onion chopped, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano. You could be using something like basil, dried basil if you want as well. Salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a pan here. Got some olive oil in there. Don't be shy with your olive oil. Don't be too shy because it really does help the sauce. In goes our onion and our garlic. Medium heat, 4 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, there you go, about 4 minutes. And you don't want these to be browning, just to go translucent like that. Very simply, we're going to grab our 2 cans of tomatoes and drop them in. Now what I've done is these were a whole plum tomato. With my hand, I just roughly crush them. Salt, black pepper, and our dried herb of choice. I'm going with oregano. Stay on this medium heat. Now we're going to make a nice quick one here. So we're only going to go for about 7 or 8 minutes. I mean, I've seen this cooking for hours, to be honest. So yeah, 7 or 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We're going to have a really simple, beautiful tomato sauce ready. Okay, off goes the heat. That is looking absolutely wonderful. And there we go, we've got a nice simple base sauce. Let's set that aside and move on. So what we have here is some fresh white mushrooms. There's about 4 of them there, so it's under 100 grams. 1 chicken breast, decent size. No skin, no bone, cut into nice, fairly small pieces. 1 onion chopped, nice and small. A little bit of celery, tablespoon of chopped garlic, and a tablespoon here of some pesto sauce, nice green pesto sauce. Really simple, let's get moving. So here we are, little bit of olive oil there, medium heat. In goes that onion and that celery. Get your celery in there. You can cut that smaller if you want. I like mine just like that. 1 tablespoon of garlic and our chicken, all in pretty much right now. And you can see this chicken's cut nice and small, fairly small pieces. Breast, no skin, no bone, medium heat, 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. So easy. So 4 to 5 minutes there. The chicken's not cooked all the way through yet, for sure. You can actually see a bit of pink on the outside still. But we're ready now to add some salt, some black pepper, and now we can drop in our mushrooms. Okay, about another 4 or 5. Stay on this kind of lively heat. Keep it moving. So delicious. So easy. Okay, next up, let's get in that pesto. I'm using green. You could use red if you want. This is a kind of, the basic, classic green pesto. And then we're going to grab our base sauce that we made. In we go. We're going to cook this for about another 3 minutes only, stirring all the time. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See you in about 3 minutes. Yeah, really good. Okay, cooked pasta, drop that in. I'm using this rigatoni. You could be using something else, of course. About another 3 minutes. Let's get our sauce in, on and around this pasta. And then this one is done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Super, super easy. Little bit of parsley on the top. That is delicious. Let's move on. Let's make another one. Okay, so this is a cream-based pasta sauce we're going to make. So I've got the cream there. Now I've got 250 ml of cream. It doesn't matter if it's thick or thin. This is a thick cream. Thick or thin will make no difference. No need to ask me. There you go. Chicken breast, same as the last one. This is one chicken breast, no skin, no bun, cut into the same shape. There I've got some onion, as you can see, sliced this time. Garlic, tablespoon. Here, 1 teaspoon of a smoked paprika. This is delicious. We're going to add a bit of cheese as well. Okay, again, some olive oil in the pan. We're going to grab our onion. We're going to chop that in, sliced onion. Again, we're on a medium heat. We're going to go in with our chicken. 1 chicken breast, cut in the same way as the last one. Our garlic, like a tablespoon of garlic. 4 minutes. Keep it moving. So, so easy. So that was 4 minutes. And again, this chicken is not cooked fully. We are now going to add salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and if you can get this, it's really, really tremendous stuff, you know, it really gives it a lovely flavour. Be careful not to use regular paprika, which basically, if it says hot, it just means it's chili powder really. And there's sweet, so you could use that, but the smoked is out of this world. Okay, we're going to get that tomato sauce again that we made a bit earlier, that base sauce. I don't even like calling it a base sauce actually because it's delicious. Got a little bit left. So there we go, we've gone 50-50 on each dish. And we're going to go now, staying on this fairly lively heat, about another 4 minutes. A couple more things to go in this one. Really fabulous. Okay, 250 ml of cream. Doesn't matter if it's thick or thin. No difference whatsoever. It's all going to do the same thing. Yeah, look at that go. Okay, now a nice sort of handful with some nice grated parmesan. Yep. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be serving this one with spaghetti. In fact, a very, very thin angel hair spaghetti. And I'm going to just serve the sauce on top, not mix it, but you could mix it if you want. So let me do this for about another 4 minutes. Keep it moving now the cream's in there. And then we're done to serve upon some spag. A little touch of paprika on there. I'm loving that. That's a beauty. Lovely, creamy chicken. Smoky paprika sauce, fantastic. Okay, and there you go, beautiful. Chicken with spag, bit of cream. Chicken with mushroom, rigatoni, fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.